Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants, and here I am with Ian. Ian stopped by for his 1-year follow-up, and I'm going to pretty much let Ian go from here. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, Dr. Siegel. I couldn't be happier with this hair transplant. I considered it an investment at the time that I made the decision to go ahead with it, and I think it has enhanced my career and employment opportunities. It has enhanced my personal life. I've found a bride and newly married, and I've enjoyed it. I get compliments from friends and family all the time. I highly recommend doing this if somebody is thinking about a hair transplant. It will definitely add a lot to your life. And I'm glad I did it, and the care that Dr. Siegel gave me here at Natural Hair Transplants has been amazing.
Well, thank you. And looking back a year ago,
Yeah.
how quickly did that year go by?
Well, it went by in a flash. It's gone by very quickly.
And each step was just
easy. Yeah, painless, easy, and it went by fast.
And Ian, you and I have the same type of hair, very baby fine hair.
That's right.
But even with that baby fine hair, it's incredible. And I'm going to show the before and after pictures.
Yeah.
How much it still, just by addressing that frontal area, and in your case we did the frontal 2/3, how much it really has changed and made you look younger.
It made me look a lot younger. Yeah, I've had people say just that. Yeah, people that I've known and haven't seen in 10, 15 years have said to me, wow, you look great, you know.
Well, behind you is a picture of what you came in looking like, and to put it side by side, which we will do, you look amazing. I thank you so much for coming back into the office to show us how you look and to share your story with everybody.
And I thank you for all your kind attention, and I definitely like my pictures a lot better now than a year ago.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.